Our friends from Western Solar in Bellingham swooped in this month and installed more than 170 solar panels on 2 buildings in just a few days. A bit more electrical work and we will flip the switch on the 4th biggest solar array in San Juan County. Currently, the exchange uses about 44,000 kilowatt hours per year. By putting solar panels on both the exchange and our new Baylor building, we will be able to generate more than 94,000 kilowatt hours annually. According to our solar design consultants, with the savings the array will generate, we should pay off the cost of the system in less than 10 years. This solar array is a great resource for our community and will help us to reduce our climate impact right away and even more in the years to come. Currently, we operate 6 pieces of heavy equipment that all burn a lot of diesel. It is our intention to replace them with electric machinery which we can charge up using solar power. Thanks to all who supported this project.